Ready, start. In discussions of language and society, it is often useful to draw examples from everyday observations, such as swine kept on farms or vermin that move unnoticed around neglected spaces, full stop. A single hair may appear trivial, yet it can illustrate how a singular item differs from a plural form, and how plurality expresses number, full stop. Some nouns remain uncountable, especially when referring to activities like grazing or concepts expressed through phrases that seem scattered across usage, full stop. Children often create mischief in ways that escape immediate notice, providing natural examples of structure and meaning, full stop. Even subjects like statics and statistics show how similar forms can represent entirely different fields of study, full stop. Certain diseases, including mumps, measles, and rickets, along with activities such as billiards, aquatics, gymnastics, and athletics, remain grammatically singular despite appearing plural. Full stop. Next. Writers producing descriptive passages must also understand terms like innings, trousers, alms, refreshments, archives, outskirts, ashes, and auspices, all of which challenge learners who accept simple rules, full stop. Historical accounts of cavalry and infantry, along with references to poultry, peasantry, and gentry, further demonstrates how collective nouns function within English, full stop. When selecting an adjective, one must observe how it modifies a noun and how the assigned gender hyphen, whether masculine or a broader notion of masculinity hyphen, influences agreement in certain grammatical systems, full stop. Students frequently encounter confusion regarding possessive forms, especially when punctuation, such as the apostrophe, plays a decisive role in shaping meaning within a sentence, full stop. Next. In grammar instruction, materials are often scattered intentionally to test recall, yet the structure remains coherent, full stop. A quiet porch in a rural area may serve as an example setting for exercises that combine these terms into meaningful sentences, full stop. Mastery of these forms reinforces precision in communication and prevents errors that might otherwise appear insignificant but alter the meaning of a line, full stop. Understanding such distinctions prepares learners for advanced linguistic analysis, ensuring they grasp why each category functions as it does and how contextual cues guide interpretation. Full stop. This comprehensive awareness strengthens both written and spoken expression, enabling students to navigate complex grammatical structures with confidence and to apply each rule accurately even when confronted with unfamiliar contexts or challenging constructions consistently. Full stop, stop.